In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Blooket hacks safely and what you need to know before you try them. First, let's start right at the beginning. Actually searching for these hacks online, open your web browser and go to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type in "How to get Blooket hacks" and press enter. You'll see a list of results, including videos, forums, and code repositories that claim to offer cheats or scripts for the game. Before you click on anything, pause for a moment and think about safety. Not every result you see is trustworthy. Some sites may include harmful files, misleading instructions, or content that could get your account flagged or banned. Look for results from well-known platforms, like established code hosting sites or large reputable communities. Avoid random download links or sites that look cluttered with pop-ups and ads, because those are often red flags. When you open a result, read carefully. Most Blooket hacks are shared as scripts, often written in JavaScript. These usually require you to copy the code and paste it into your browser's console while you're on the Blooket website. It might sound simple, but this is where you need to be extra cautious. Only run code from sources you genuinely trust. And never paste anything that asks for sensitive information like your login details or personal data. It's also important to understand the risks using hacks or cheats can violate Blooket's terms of service. That means your account could be restricted or permanently banned if the system detects unusual behavior or unfair advantages in games. Teachers and classmates might also notice if you're consistently getting impossible scores, which can lead to awkward conversations or consequences in class. If you still decide to explore these hacks, consider using a secondary account instead of your main one. That way, if something goes wrong, your primary progress and data are less likely to be affected. Always keep your browser and antivirus tools up to date, and if anything feels off, close the page and step away from it. Finally, remember that Blooket is designed to be a fun, educational game. Hacks might seem exciting at first, but they can quickly take away the challenge and satisfaction of earning rewards legitimately. Often the best hack is simply practicing, learning the material, and playing fairly with friends. So, when you search how to get Blooket hacks, do it with awareness, caution, and respect for the game's rules. And always prioritize your safety and integrity over quick shortcuts.